Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, FWD, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.